All right, we are in the kitchen with Chef LadyRen. Thanks for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
It's
Happy
almost
Halloween.
It's almost Halloween, and so we're excited to make a Halloween snack tray. And as you said, it will not spook your sugar levels.
That's right. You know, spike your sugar levels.
Ah,
spook your
clever,
sugar
clever.
level.
But this looks like the perfect thing to bring to a Halloween party.
It is, and what this is, it's a healthy Halloween snack tray.
Perfect.
And using fruits and vegetables.
I love that.
And then you have a little craft going on. So
I like it.
we're gonna make some monsters and little pumpkins and
Look at how
jack-o'-lantern
cute.
if you'd like. So first things, let's do. These will be like over here the creepy crawly monster.
Oh.
The eyeballs. And so,
Alicia's easily scared, so Alicia, will you be okay?
Oh, yes, I remember yesterday I saw you on the TV.
Those kids were something else.
Yeah,
They were
and
great.
so yeah, you just scoop that down
Okay.
into your celery.
And that kind of works as like a little paste.
Yes, and then of course you have the peanut butter or almond butter, whichever you like. And
Okay.
over here we have the eyeballs. So,
How cute.
and these are candy eyeballs. So.
Oh, where did you get those?
Oh, you get them in the craft store where they sell.
And they're
all the-
edible.
Yes, they are
Well, I
edible.
hope they're edible.
Of
We're putting
course.
them on food.
Yes. Yeah, want me to eat the eyeball?
She just ate an eyeball.
I just had an eyeball.
How cute.
Anyway,
Okay.
And there you go. So,
Cheers.
Right. So the next one we're going to
I'm
make.
going to cheers you. Cheers.
Oh, you didn't
Stop
dress up
moving.
Here's your
Oh,
eyeball,
yeah.
Elise.
May
Can I
I
have a
have
bite?
some eyeballs,
Yeah.
please?
Tell me what you think. Remember, we just eat and enjoy food.
Yum.
So the next one we're going to work on is our pumpkin.
Okay.
And these are little mandarins.
Okay.
So they're seedless, of course, loaded with vitamin C
Oh,
Sure.
great.
and all that good stuff.
I need some vitamin C in my life.
Well, this is why all of this is good for you, right?
Okay.
And here we go. So you will peel it off, very simple, like this, okay?
Okay.
So once you get the idea,
Yep, we're peeled.
and we peel, once you have this, look how cute. Your celery stalk, you cut them into little stems,
Okay.
and then just do this.
Look at that. And
And
it's a pumpkin.
It's
That
a
is
pumpkin.
so cute.
If
Okay.
you want to dress it up like a jack-o'-lantern,
This is creative. How did you
yeah.
come up with this?
I have a creative daughter.
Oh,
And
okay.
Yes, so
She's the mastermind?
She's the mastermind.
I love that. Okay.
She's always been. And if you want to make the jack-o'-lantern, you take the chocolate chip. These are semi-sweet.
Then use the peanut butter as paste.
Paste, yeah. And you can
Easy.
even, yeah, and dress up your
This is great because this is something that anybody can do at home.
Yes.
Super easy, and it
much
looks,
fun.
it's like really thoughtful and cute
Yes,
to bring
and
to a
it's
party.
cute, exactly. And so the next
That's
thing we're going
awesome.
to do are the little monsters with green
Cute.
apples.
Okay.
So
That.
what you do is green apple, you'll cut it down in half,
Okay.
and then in quarters, and then you will just carefully make like a bird's beak. Take that out.
You're handy with that knife, LadyRen.
You have to learn knife skills. That
Yeah,
was in,
Alicia.
that was in January's class. You missed it.
Okay.
Oh,
I
we
got to
missed that
do
one.
a makeup. I have to do a makeup
You
class.
have to do a makeup class. You guys got to catch up.
Okay.
So peanut butter again. You can also use strawberry jam if you like.
Okay.
This one is a bit messy.
Look at
so If you
that.
don't mind your hands getting messy.
Cute. And let's look at the finished product here.
That's
It
the
has
finished
the little.
product, the little eyes.
Oh, wow.
Cute
You got a
that
whole tray.
is.
And you then dress them up again, and that's the strawberry you
I
will
love
just
this.
take.
These are
and you,
such great ideas.
you stick it in here, and then you'll have the tongue and the eyes.
So easy, so creative.
Nothing goes to
I
waste.
want to
Go ahead.
bring these to a Halloween
Oh,
party.
are these grapes?
These are heirloom tomatoes. Aren't they cute?
Oh.
That is a great way to trick the kids into
From my garden.
Fruits
and the
and vegetables.
colors.
Exactly.
Look at
Who
that.
needs Halloween candy when you have this?
Oh, no,
This
you
is
must have
wonderful.
Halloween candy.
Oh.
Trick or treat.
Oh, thank you. An M&M.
Thank you so much.
And dark chocolates.
All right, if people want to get in contact with you, how can they do that?
LadyRens.com.
We have it right there. Happy Halloween. Oh, Alicia.
I almost made
That was
it.
not caught on camera, but Alicia is doing a little bit of juggling. Alicia, you want to do that again now that you're back on camera?
No,
Oh,
I think it
no.
went down my dress. At any rate,
Okay, you tried.
what are we gonna do? What's next?
Yep. I don't know. Is weather next? Will someone tell us?
We're going to tap chocolates out. We didn't get to show this, but I'll show you
nope.
guys.
Mother's not
look
next.
at that.
Oh, okay.
What's
Well,
this?
we're gonna eat this in the break. We'll be right back.
Oh, yeah. So here it is. You would